Yeah, people watching me cannot tell that that's the smallest video camera I've ever seen in my life. I imagine I must be very small.
No.
On there. I'm not? I'm not. I guess I'm not. Right.
But it's made in U.S.
It's made in. That's the only thing that's still made in the U.S. Amazing. We make small video cameras, apparently.
Are you excited for your show?
Yeah, well, we do it at midnight, so we shall see.
Cool, cool. Which one? Solo?
The pit. Me and Vanessa.
Yay, Vanessa! Is his name?
Penelope.
Yay! Big NAZO, have you ever seen that? Those guys?
No. Who are they?
Last year. They were here last year.
Oh, yeah?
Someone wants to take a picture with you. Ladies and gentlemen, someone wants to take a picture with you. We have just talked.
Don't do it.
Want to take a picture with you.
They're gonna steal your soul. Don't do it.
Watch out.
Big
When love
NAZO!
happens, when true love happens the second time, make room. In slow motion, we approach each other. My one true, crazy, wild earth fling and I, together, we commingle. Our bodies join. And within seconds, I know I'm having her baby. I will carry the baby.
Okay.
And when you come back in 4 years, the baby will still not be born, but it will be your child. Norkas pushpa turku, my love. Mwah. Mwah. I love flowers.
Yay, hello! How are you?
Okay,
You
anyway,
remember
you,
me?
once again.
Yay, Big NAZO! I'm the one from the Mike's Morning family. Excuse me, can we see you later. Love you.
Attention, folks.